The conference, held under the theme Consolidating the Gains of Planting for Food and Jobs in the Wake of COVID-19, saw major stakeholders comprising of the heads of departments of agriculture in the 11 districts of the region, value chain actors, farmers, amongst others, sharing ideas on how to consolidate gains made under the government's flagship policies. Regional Director of Agriculture, Madam Cecilia Keja, described the move as an opportunity to discuss the state of agriculture across the region.
This is an opportunity offered us to be able to tell the general public, our farmers, our processors, aggregators, the RCC, our MCs, yes, what has actually happened in the agricultural sector. So today we are talking about the state of agriculture in the Bono East region. We're talking about the flagship programs of government. Yes, how the flagship programs have performed. Yes, we are talking about planting for food and jobs, planting for export and rural development, rearing for food and jobs. And therefore, we want to talk about our strength, what we did very well, and we also want to look at the challenges.
She noted that though there's been gains across the sector in general, the outbreak of COVID-19 partially affected the implementation of some policies being undertaken by the department.
A lot of people don't want to come out regularly, yes. And so even when we want to have our programs, we tend to limit the number. We are not able to meet large groups. We are not able to, and when we meet groups, we need to limit the size. We also need to space out and stuff. So in a way, it has impacted. But thankfully, we are still going through our planting, our extension services and all that.
Madam Cecilia Keja, however, expressed concerns with the hike in food prices this year and urged farmers to embark on small-scale irrigations as a means of dealing with food security in the year ahead.
We can't spend a huge percentage of our income on food. It's not acceptable, so we are concerned. But agriculture heavily depends on rainfall. It's our type of agriculture is rain-fed, and that is where the issue is. Yes, so long as we depend almost entirely on the natural rains, we are bound to face such problems. Whenever the rains become erratic and we get shortages of rain, we will certainly face such issues. And therefore, we are encouraging everybody that our farmers should be interested in small-scale irrigation schemes, and that is the way we have to go. And we are really encouraging them to go into small-scale irrigation in order to offset such challenges in future.
The Joint Sector Review Program was instituted by the Ministry of Food and Agriculture in the year 2008 to allow annual engagements on issues affecting the sector. Reporting for Joy News, Anas Sabit, Kintampo.